Hello team, in this tutorial I will show you the process of 100 PNG images conversion. So as you can see, I have 100 hot Porsche images on my desktop. The size of my dream car is 1.4 megabytes for 1280 to 720 image. It's too big for my small car blog. All my images are located in desktop folder. To begin conversion process, I started prepared script in my Windows command line. Script is running, each file is converted. The FFmpeg library is used by script to convert image files. WEBP is a raster graphics file format developed by Google, intended as a replacement for JPEG, PNG, and GIF file formats. It supports both lossy and lossless compression, as well as animation and alpha transparency. Google announced the WEBP format in September 2010 and released the first stable version of its supporting library in April 2018. As of 2024, web browsers that support WEBP had 97% market share. Awesome, conversion completed. Well done, thanks for watching, have a perfect day.